Hey, I'm Alex from Salesout.ai, and I help businesses operate at a higher level using AI and automation. One of my clients is Flywheel, Vancouver's leading marketing agency. Like most agencies, they use Harvest to track team time across clients and projects. Harvest is great at capturing time, but as teams grow, turning that raw data into clean, reliable reporting becomes a manual headache. Every few days, time entries had to be exported, cleaned up in Google Sheets, and double-checked so leadership could trust the numbers. Because this data impacts billing and profitability, senior team members were spending up to 4 hours a week reviewing spreadsheets instead of focusing on the business. That kind of work doesn't scale. Flywheel came to me to eliminate the manual steps, reduce risk, and make reporting automatic and dependable. This is a problem a lot of growing teams run into, and it's exactly where automation creates immediate leverage. Here's a quick high-level look at what I built. This workflow runs automatically on a schedule every second day, so no one on the team has to think about it. It starts by making 2 HTTP requests to Harvest. One pulls all of the time entries for the reporting period, and the other pulls user and project data so everything can be mapped correctly. Harvest gives you a lot of raw data, but it's not structured the way teams actually report on it. So I use a few code steps to clean, normalize, and transform that data into the exact format Flywheel needs. That includes matching users to projects, organizing time entries, and preparing the data so it fits perfectly into their existing reporting logic. Once that's done, everything gets merged together and automatically appended or updated in their Google Sheet. The workflow also updates specific fields that used to be changed manually, so all their formulas, metrics, and dashboards just work. What this really changes for the business is confidence and focus. The team no longer worries about whether the numbers are right or if something was missed in an export. Senior staff get hours of their week back. Leadership gets reliable data when they need it, and reporting becomes a background process instead of a constant task. This is a great example of how automation isn't about replacing people. It's about removing low-value work that pulls attention away from what actually matters. If your business is still manually exporting data, fixing spreadsheets, or double-checking reports, that's usually a sign there's an opportunity to automate. If you want help finding those opportunities and building workflows like this, book a free strategy call with me at Salesout.ai. We'll walk through your operations and identify where AI and automation can help you operate at a higher level.